What's up guys, it's me again Rico and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to download free movies, Netflix series, games, and other things using your mobile phones. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated in all my videos. Now, let's start. First, go to the Play Store and search for Tordroid Torrent Downloader. And click on install. After downloading, click on open. Click on allow, and we're good to go. Now, go back to your home screen and open your web browser. It's either Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet browser, or any other browsers that is installed on your phone. Now go on a torrent website. For me, the best torrent website currently accessible and which I am using is the 1337x.2. This website is one of the best torrent website on the market this 2020. Now, search for the movie, game, or any other things that you want to download. For example, I search for Harry Potter, which is a popular movie as all of you know. Now, from the drop-down list, click on any of them. For example, the first one on the list. Now click on Magnet Download, and it will take you to the Tordroid app and it will automatically download it. So in this way, you can download any movie or any other torrent files on your mobile phones easily. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more helpful videos like this. Also, share this video to help others. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and keep safe everyone. Bye!